I don't know if this is a perennial spring, but it comes right out of the rock. It's been here for at least the past year. It's just spouting out and then dripping down the hillside down to the creek. And then there's a nice pool right here you could probably soak in. Kind of jacuzzi deep. This is one of my favorite parts of the canyon. Now, down below, near the falls, Etiwanda Falls, there wasn't a lot of water, but here, it doesn't look that much different than before. So, that's what surprises me, how there was virtually no water. But right here, the water's flowing nicely. It's like there's a spring here coming up out of the ground or something.